Good morning, guys. There's no way I was gonna talk to you before I brush my teeth and I wash my face. I just woke up and I start talking with a bad breath. No. So today I'm gonna spend the day with you guys and just to show you how I spend my days off without wasting them and trying to keep active and whatever. So I'm gonna go to the swimming pool and to the gym, and I'm also going to visit with friends. That's how I like to spend my days. So I'm gonna bring you guys along. So stay tuned. The people that have been here for long know that MSM and glutathione are like my girlies when it comes to like improving my skin and my immunity, and oh my gosh, I don't even know what else, but I've been on these girls like for the longest time. I want to like upgrade my supplement game, but for now this is what I'm taking. I'm actually out of glutathione, so I only have MSM. I'm gonna have MSM, and I think I'm also gonna have and I think I'll also have zinc, vitamin D and zinc. These are the supplements that I'm gonna have this morning. So MSM, omega-3, vitamin D3, turmeric and garlic, and some zinc nitrate. So this is just my supplement routine. Like I'm focusing on improving my skin, focusing on improving my overall health, like immunity, and I'm also focusing on increasing my energy levels. And talking about that, I also received a package from when you see DHL, of course you know it's coming from Body So Kenya, and I will unbox this on TikTok and I will insert this video here for you guys. So if you want to know any information, I'm gonna sit down and explain to you guys what I'm taking like from Body So Kenya. So yeah, let's start. I'll do a quick video telling you guys about the products that I received from Body So Kenya. I think I'm doing I'll insert a video where I'm doing an unboxing on TikTok. But I want to talk about Apetamin because it's like the most popular thing. Like if you're on TikTok, YouTube, you've been trying to gain weight, of course you've heard about Apetamin, either the one from the pharmacy or the one from wherever. But this one is coming directly from Tablets India Limited, and it is distributed by Body So Kenya in Africa. So Apetamin syrup, I have just been watching a doctor called Dr. Brian Young, Dr. Brian Yang. He's a nutritionist, and he was talking about like weight gain, and he's been asked questions about Apetamin, and he was just telling people about Apetamin. So I'd like to tell you guys about Apetamin and what I've learned from this doctor. So he says it's a vitamin syrup used to gain weight, and most of the time it's used to gain breasts, buttocks, and hips, and most women are using it to gain weight. But according to the doctor, he feels like it's not the safest of ways to gain weight, because of some of the reasons. I'm gonna say that for you, because if you don't want to go back and watch the video, I'll insert the clip here. I'll just insert like his YouTube so that you can go watch for yourself, but I'm just gonna say the points that I got from him and why I still feel like it's safe for me to take Apetamin. So this Apetamin is, like you can see, it's always distributed by different people. Like I don't know if I pronounce it as Apetamin correctly or Apetamin or Apetamine, I don't know, but this one, as you can see, that's where it comes from. Like it comes from Tablets India, and this is why I trust Body So Kenya, because they did just like, they have been consistent from the time they started selling Apetamin, and it always comes in a plastic bottle, whereas others come in glass bottles and they come with a cap on top, and like they're always different. And this is the reason why Apetamin was banned, because all Apetamins come in different shapes. They come in different there's different manufacturers, there's different, what's it called, it's not standardized, because it comes with different ingredients all the time from different distributors. But this one has cyproheptadine. Cyproheptadine is an antihistamine. Oh my gosh, I'm speaking fast because I only have like 20 minutes to get out of here. So it has it's an antihistamine. If you know Piriton, if you know Cetirizine, they are all antihistamines. And these ones, most of the time, they're used to treat allergies. So if you're itchy or you're trying to get sleep, most of the time, utambiwa, oh, if you can't sleep because of the allergies, maybe you're supposed to take Piriton or Cetirizine. Itakusaidia to reduce allergies. So you see, proheptadine is the main ingredient in this thing. So it helps reduce treat allergies. And another thing, like it has its own side effects, and the side effects also vary from one human to another. So some of the side effects are drowsiness, headache, dry mouth, and increased appetite. The reason I'm taking it because I have terrible appetite. So when I take Apetamin, I always eat like a fundi. So that's what we want. Because if you're trying to gain weight, you're supposed to be eating like throughout the day. That's how you gain weight. And also, it helps slow down metabolism. Because when your metabolism is fast, of course, you're not going to gain weight. Like, you'll be eating however much you want, but you'll never gain weight. So when I first wanted to gain weight, I started using Apetamin to increase my appetite and also slow down my metabolism. So that's the major thing that Cyproheptadine does. And the one that I get from Body Store Kenya, they have focused majorly on that. Like, that's the main ingredient. The major ingredient in this one is this. So Apetamin, the other Apetamins also have lysine and also have amino acid. Like, lysine is actually 1 out of 9 amino acids that we need, and amino acids always help in muscle and weight gain, right? So, and the doctor was saying, like, why do you think they use lysine in composing Apetamin? They use lysine because it's the cheapest of all the other amino acids. I mean, of course, if you're trying to distribute something in large amounts, you're going to use something that's the cheapest, because you're trying to minimize on like the amount of money that you use to maximize on the one that's coming in, like for any other business. But so lysine is also used here, and it's an amino acid, and it helps you gain weight. So when any human being is gaining weight, this one can be used for, like, by kids, it can be used by men, it can be used by women, but mostly for women, it's gonna help you gain weight in your breasts, in your hips, and in your buttocks. And it does that because of how we are composed as women. Like, we have, like, our hormones always, like, send our weight to those areas. When a woman gains weight, the first place that you start seeing their weight, it's always being deposited in their hips. So it's not gonna go to your hips if you're a man, come on. It's just gonna make you gain weight. And another place that weight is distributed, when you're eating a lot and you're gaining weight, it's gonna be distributed around your waistline, around your stomach. So you're going to gain weight in your stomach. So I'm not gonna lie to you that Apetamin is gonna send all the weight here. I've seen Senia's vehicle, and if that is Senia's vehicle, then I am so scared, because I told her to pick me up around this time. So let's just finish quickly. So if you're taking Apetamin, you better be going to the gym, and you better be active. And you better be ready to sacrifice and, you know, get rid of the weight around this area, because of course you're going to gain weight up tumbo. So when you gain weight here, it's the hardest part to get rid of. So if you still want to use Apetamin to gain weight, you're supposed to know that you have to put in work to get rid of the weight here. I hope that's clear. So the doctor said that if you want to gain more weight, you're supposed to eat more, snack more often, and also incorporate protein shakes and, like, the mass gainers that you get in the stores and supplement stores. It also helps you gain weight. And yeah, like I said, it's hard to decrease the weight that you've already gained around the belly. And then we are done with Apetamin. So I still feel like it is safe for me to take, because of course I want my appetite to increase, and I want to, like, get my sleep, because those are the things that aid in gain weight. So I have 4 bottles of Apetamin that I'm gonna take. It's not my first time taking Apetamin. I'm just telling you guys about Apetamin a little bit. I'm not a doctor, but if you want to get expert advice, you better consult your doctor, because don't come to me and say, hey, you told us to go and take. I didn't tell anyone to go and take. I'm just showing you guys what I use. And then I have Calf Plus syrup. Calf Plus syrup promotes healthy carbs. So of course, whatever is gonna come is, like, all the ingredients that I used here, I'm gonna write them down, and you can go read about the ingredients. But this one is also taken thrice a day, this one is taken thrice a day, and this one's just help you with growing your hips and your calves. Another thing that I was using was Calf Plus pills. It works the same as Calf Plus syrup, but I'm out of the pills, and I prefer the syrup over the pills. Another thing that I'm using that's very important is the Estrogen Power Plus, which is like an estrogen powder. I've not opened mine yet, but once I open, I will be showing you guys. Like, that's how it looks. I don't know if it's, like, you can see, but yeah, so it's just a powder. It looks like grain that has been ground together. It's just like jugu enye mesaga. So yeah, those are my 3 ladies that I'll be using. I don't know where you guys can see them from. Yeah, I'm really rushing because, yep. Anyways, that's that. And what did I want to say? I wanted to talk a little bit about estrogen. So estrogen is the primary female sex hormone, and its key functions are skin health, hair growth, heart health, sexual reproduction, and stuff like that. So why am I using estrogen together with the other supplements? Because I want to gain weight in the right places, and I want to improve my feminine features. I'm adding estrogen to speed up the work of the other things, and I'm also trying to go to the gym. Like as we're talking right now, I'm just going to get to take a shower real quick because I have to go to the gym and to the swimming pool, because I'm also working hard to make sure that I stay in shape. So that's all for the products that I got from Body So Kenya. Go on TikTok and watch me yap about these people, and I've been using Body So Kenya products for like the past 5 years, from the time they were called Weight in Africa, and I'm still gonna stick with them because they have proven to be working for me, and they are authentic. The way they packaged my products, like the communication, it's always so good. Shout out to Michelle, like she's very professional and she knows her work very well. That's why I like working with my girl Michelle. And yeah, so that's it. I don't know, I don't want to speak so much English. I'm just gonna take a shower quickly and then I need to hop out because I need to go to the swimming pool. I have a date with my 2 girls, and if I can, I'll bring you guys along, and if I can't, we shall see you later. Bye guys. Sena is already here, so I'm just gonna show you guys quickly what I'm bringing to the swimming pool. My body wash and all the things that I need to use after swimming, a towel.
Those who work for peace, they're children of the Lord. You heal the broken heart, you bless the ones who mourn. As your kingdom comes, may my will become yours. As your kingdom comes, may my will become yours. You bless the pure in heart, for they will see your face. Your spirit will not bless a heart that's filled with hate. So teach us to forgive, and teach us not to judge. Help us turn our cheek and bless our enemies with love. As your kingdom comes, may our will become yours. As your kingdom comes, may our will become yours. We will mend the broken, we will heal the lame. Oh God, renew our nation in and through the power of Jesus' name. You oppose the proud, and you embrace the meek, and you will raise your humble servant. It's your kingdom we will seek.
Hi, this is my 1 year in Canada.
May our will become yours. As your kingdom comes, may our will become yours. As your kingdom comes, may our will become yours.
You're teaching me with my imperfections, reaching me when I run the other direction. I'm undone, unraveling my plans. Make me whole again, rebuild me from the inside out, in a way only you know how. You're teaching me
something.
Yeah, teacher is the best.
Goats pruning, carrying out a shelter.
Like he's a genius and he's trying to introduce us about his process and project and everything. Like the brain comes up with so many thoughts and everything. I don't know. Yeah.
I need a revival, something more than this shallow survival. God, I need you. God, I need you. Father, bring me redemption. Renew my heart with resurrection. God, I need you. God, I need you now. I need you.
You're allowed to use both hands for
No. Just
You
one
cannot
hand.
use two hands.
Just one hand.
Too easy.
Okay.
Wow.
Well, it's just the top half.
Beautiful.
It's just the top half, so we'll leave the top half down. Here, I can take it.
Yeah, we can continue playing because I say
Okay.
Shutty.
I gotta fix the tower.
Set me free. Set me free, God. Set me free. Set me free, God. Set me free. 'Cause I need a revival, something more than this shallow survival. God, I need you. I need you. Father, bring me redemption. Renew my heart with resurrection. God, I need you. God, I need you now. I need you now.
We're paying for it.
Yeah,
You just pay for it in your taxes.
I think there's a lady there.
You bless the poor in spirit, for heaven is their home. You bless the merciful, to them your mercy will be shown. And those who work for peace, they're children of the Lord. You heal the broken heart, you bless the ones who mourn. As your kingdom comes, may my will become yours. As your kingdom comes, may my will become yours. You bless the pure in heart, for they will see your face. Your spirit will not bless a heart that's filled with hate. So teach us to forgive, and teach us not to judge. Help us turn our cheek and bless our enemies with love.
coming back and forth.
Find our way.
Oh.
Whoa!
See you in a bit.
As your kingdom comes, may I will become yours. As your kingdom comes, may I will become yours. As your kingdom comes, may I will become yours.
You wait until mommy daddy gets you some. We're gonna say thank you, God. Nations according to the boundaries that he wanted Israel to have. On her wings, takes them and bears them on her wings. So the Lord alone did lead him. And there was no strange God with him. God made Israel to ride on the high places of the earth.
When I run the other direction, I'm undone, unraveling my plans. Make me whole again, rebuild me from the inside out, in a way only you know how. You're teaching me